as we.
Yeah, he wanted proof from you, that's what you're saying.
Yeah, as we that we were in an act.
He wanted proof that what you were saying was correct, right? That's what you're saying. If he asked you for a video, would I be right to say he wanted proof that what you were alleging was correct?
Okay, yeah.
Now, did you present that proof?
We tried with the video, the one that I made with it.
The one you are calling fake?
The one I'm calling fake?
Yes, you are saying you cut your chicken.
Yeah, okay.
Isn't it fake?
Yeah.
What you are calling fake?
Yeah.
And he didn't believe it, right?
Yeah.
Do you have any proof that he actually promised you this money or that he met you?
I heard him and I saw him saying that.
Do you have any proof?
That's the proof I can give.
Promised you money or he met you?
That's the proof I can give.
Where is it? We want to hear. Where is it?
That could be me.
You also allege that he gave it you your 100,000. You have that proof?
That could be me who received the money, who could say that. Would you say that when you did
So
receive
you have
it?
no proof.
Eh?
Now, is it you who approached him or he's the one who approached you?
I remember at first we went.
I'm wondering whether Pastor Senyonga is one of these people in the dog, or that council has instructions from him to defend him in absentia, because we seem to be divulging details in the password not before court.
Your Honor, that witness made outlandish allegations against Pastor in respect to this matter, claiming there is a conspiracy and is linking him up and the others. So we are going to the truthfulness of this witness, and it is important. I don't think the state should just say that we can't. We are going to the evidence that he talked about. We are not creating Pastor Senyonga in this business. They have talked about him, and they cannot say, for them they can talk about him, and for us we can't. I think that would be wrong. I'm about to conclude.
Relating to that, I also want to be conscious about bringing somebody who is going to report more because different shares of locations, people. So if, for example, like the question you're asking, it was about the transaction, which the same is the and you're trying to get the business. So you're not out of the field of life, but there's not too much to the personality of somebody
Most of them.
Now, I just want to talk about, I'm about to wind up. I had asked whether it's you who approached him or he approached you. I think I didn't get the answer.
According to me, we approached him at first.
Now, I want to go to the chicken and the blood story. You took those photos and you sent them where?
Very good.
On which number?
That very number. Like his number or my number?
Your numbers. By the way, all these numbers were available. Police. So how comes that is not captured in the report?
That what?
What you are talking about, how come it's not captured in the police report?
I don't know
The
about it.
photos, police did an examination of those numbers.
Mhm.
And I'm asking how come?
The photos were sent on WhatsApp. The videos were sent on WhatsApp.
So it couldn't be.
I don't know about that.
So as a court here, there is no proof.
Reagan.
So at the level of court here, you have no proof of doing that. Now, you have no proof. Now, you said you took photos of, did you take photos of the hen you allege you cut?
No.
The chicken?
No.
So what proof do you have that that is the blood from the chicken?
The proof could be me, the owner, who cut it.
No, what proof do you have? Because you didn't take any, what proof? Proof is not just what you are saying.
I understand.
So what proof do you have? In fact, you stated that those photos were sent by Regan, Senyonga, and Kayanja. How did you know that?
Reagan told me that